everyone, welcome to my first vlog. So, it is not going to be too long. I will just introduce myself and tell you guys what all things I'm just going to post in this YouTube channel. So, this is my first time, so I just required a little bit support and nice talks, nice comments, only nice things. As you tell nice things, it will be always nice. As you will tell bad things, you will do the things bad itself. I have just learned in 2025 that was too bad for me. Not bad, not good. It was okay, not. So I really think that YouTube channel is the best platform to just show your talent anyhow you people would love, people would hate, everything will happen, but I have took my step, so I'm going to not go back and just start my blogging. If you guys like it, love, I will just show more love towards this YouTube channel also. So let's start and I will introduce myself. So hello everyone, my name is Bhumika Patil. As I completed my HSC, I pursued aviation and hospitality management course in Thane as for a ground staff also and as a cabin crew also. That was a great experience to learn about aviation industry, especially as it is for always traveling and knowing a lot of peoples. That is a very means in a worldwide, that is a very busy industry. I think so. Every industry has their own busy schedules. So after that, I completed my aviation and hospitality management course in Thane for 1 year. Then I just did my job for 1.5 years in hotel industry as a front desk in Navi Mumbai itself. And after that, I'm pursuing my first year in BBA in DY Patil College. And right now I'm a student and searching for a job for an aviation industry itself. So as I will get a job, more busy I will get also. Not a busy person, but I love that industry, so I'm going to love it, my job. And that's it, is my introduction. And so what all things I'm going to post is traveling, and in 2026 especially I have took too much of resolutions. I will tell you guys. So किया है ये, मैंने बोला है किधर तो मुझे ये करके दिखाना ही पड़ेगा. This is the thing. So that's lot of things. I'm going to travel. Being a very spiritual I am, I want to go to the Vrindavan, that Prem Mandir. It's everyone's dream, every girl's dream, not mine only. So Vrindavan, want to go to the Goa, want to learn, want to drive, going to learn also driving, and I am going to do a lot of things. I want to buy a iPad, I want to buy my own scooty so I can travel to nearby places itself, not a thing. Means day by day I just want to go outside. That's the thing. Always. And nothing. And this, I will just show you what I have done. And just a second. So this lot of things in my vision board, if you are able to see. So there is an iPad over here, iPad, Goa, Vrindavan. In my glow up era, I'm just going to glow up and go to the spa. Self-treatment is very much, I am a very self-obsessed girl, I really think so. And do a lot of skincare properly so my skin would be too much healthy. I want to buy a branded makeup. I want to learn French. I love French people. I love Paris. I love France. Everything I love. So I really want to learn French so I can go and travel and I can speak properly. And no more negative self-talk. I talk a little bit very negative about myself. But from 2026, nothing. So this is 2000 resolutions and a very famous restaurant, a hi-fi restaurant I want to go on my birthday. So self-treatment always. And see, this is a cabin crew logo, which is means a photo which that suit Emirates. Hope so. Cross fingers always. And what all things I want? Financially freedom I want. It's like to be financially not dependent. I don't want to be dependent on my parents usually. I really think so. That's the thing. And to make me fit properly. So in my glow up era. And do a lot of shopping also. It's a vision. It's not a vision board. It's an action board now. It's going to be. And your, as I told, I am a spiritual girl. I am a Krishna girl. So Krishna and Radha. And see, my first vlog, I just want to do all these things, stuff, and start my content creator as a content creation, also driving, get my driving license and learn scooty only, not I want to learn car also. You guys will think that I'm thinking a little bit less, but छोटा थोड़ा सा सोचना पड़ेगा, इतना सब सोचा ही है तो और बाकी. And this to chant always Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So be financially not dependent on your parents. So this is my vision board. So this all things I keep nearby myself itself, where I always sit and do my things. So like this, so I can know that what all things I want to do in my life, and I want to achieve all these things in 2026 itself. And if God plans are there for me more, so that is also a great thing. It is in my way, so it will be. If it is in my path, so yes, it will be there. And this is my little resolution of 2026 also. Also not, it is there, and I'm going to prove it anyhow. So that's it. Thank you. If you like it, please like, comment, share and subscribe also to my channel to know more about me. And if you have any doubts, you can just comment me down. I will just message you as per my thing. I will really